Dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. I am Samresh Mondol, Senior Lecturer, Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara. From today's class, we will be able to answer the sample creative question of mitosis cell division. Notice the sample question. Here, the first figure is Y and second figure is X. Y represent the mitosis cell division and X represent the meiosis cell division. Why mitosis cell division? Because here produce two daughter cell from a mother cell and the chromosome number of this daughter cell is the same of mother cell, and X is the meiosis cell division because here produce four daughter cell from a mother cell, and the chromosome number of this daughter cell are half of the mother cell. From this class, we can describe the different stages of mitosis cell division, and also we can draw the figure of different stages, and also we can describe the importance of mitosis cell division. First question, what is mitotic index? The mitotic index is the ratio of the total number of cell in a tissue to the number of cell involved in mitosis. Second question, what is meant by cell cycle? The cell cycle in which the growth and subsequent division of a cell are accomplished are called cell cycle. Howard and Pelk proposed this cell cycle. The cell cycle is divided into two main stages, namely M phase and interphase. 5 to 10% of the total cell cycle is spent in M phase and the remaining 90 to 95% is spent in the interphase. Question number C. The Y process of the stem is the mitosis cell division because here produce two daughter cell and the chromosome number of this daughter cell are the same of the mother cell. The steps of mitosis cell division are described below. The first step of mitosis cell division is prophase stage. This is the most longest stage of mitosis. In this stage, increase the shape of nucleus. Chromosome reduce water and get shorter and thicker. Chromosome constriction starts due to phosphorylation of protein. Chromatin fiber break down into certain number of chromosome. Next point, each chromosome divide vertically except the centromere and form two chromatid. At the end of this stage, nuclear membrane and nucleolus going to disappear. At the end of this step, the creation of the spindle apparatus begins. The second stage of mitosis cell division is prometaphase stage. This is a short stage. This is the next stage of prophase and the anterior stage of metaphase. In this stage, there produce a spindle apparatus. In this spindle apparatus, there are present two poles and fiber create from one pole to another pole, and this fiber is known as spindle fiber, and the fiber in which the centromere of chromosome attached known as traction fiber. In this time, chromosome moves a little at this time. This movement seems to be the dance, and this is known as chromosomal dance. Spindle fiber attached with the chromosome centromere by the kinetochore. In this kinetochore, there are present motor protein. These characteristics are found in this prometaphase stage. The third stage of mitosis cell division is metaphase stage. This is the middle stage. In this stage, the centromere of the chromosome remain at the equatorial zone. The process by which the centromere of the chromosome comes to the equatorial zone is known as metakinesis. By reducing water, chromosome become maximum thick and short. The process by which chromosome reduces water and become maximum thick and short known as supercoiling. At this stage, the size of the chromosome can be determined. Size and number of the chromosome can be determined. Complete extinction of nuclear membrane and nucleolus occur. That means nuclear membrane and nucleolus totally disappear. At the end of this stage, each centromere completely divides into two daughter centromere, resulting in two daughter chromosome. That means centromere divide and produce two daughter chromosome from a mother chromosome. These characteristics found in this metaphase stage. The fourth stage of mitosis cell division is anaphase stage. This stage, also known as the stage of motion. In this stage, when the centromere divide and produce two daughter centromere, then this anaphase stage start. This daughter chromosome starts journey towards the pole. In this journey, centromere lead this journey and the arm of the chromosome follow this centromere. At this stage, this daughter chromosome seems to be the English alphabet I, J, L, V. When this daughter chromosome reach to the near the pole, then this anaphase stage end. That means when this daughter chromosome reach near the pole, then this anaphase stage end. The fifth stage of mitosis cell division is the telophase stage. This stage also known as the end stage. It is the exact opposite of the prophase stage. The daughter chromosome are located at two opposite poles. These daughter chromosome remain at the two opposite poles. The daughter chromosome absorb water and turn into chromatin fiber. nuclear membrane surrounding chromatin fiber. Nuclear membrane create outside of this chromatin fiber. The nucleolus is formed by the constriction of the Z chromosome. Next point, the spindle apparatus gradually become extinct at the last of this stage. These characteristics are found in this telophase stage. D-Nong question. The importance of Y process of the stem analyzed below. The Y process is the mitosis cell division. So we have to write down the importance of mitosis cell division. First point, body formation and physical growth. Multicellular organisms are formed through mitosis from a cell called zygote. In multicellular organism, reproduction. Many unicellular eukaryotic cells increase their number of mitosis process. Example, Chlamydomonas. Third point, reproduction and increase in the number of germ cell. The reproductive organs of multicellular organism are formed through mitosis cell division, and the number of germ cell is increased through mitosis. Maintaining a certain size and volume. Maintaining a normal size and shape through mitosis cell division. Next point, balancing the nucleus and cytoplasm. Quantitative control between the nucleus and cytoplasm of each cell is maintained through mitosis cell division. Next point, maintaining the balance of chromosomes. Through mitosis, all the cells in the body have the same number of chromosomes. Next point, wound healing. The wounded side of multicellular organism is filled through mitosis cell division. Next point, continuous depletion. There are some cells in the organism whose lifespan is certain. When these cells are destroyed, they are reproduced through the process of mitosis. This is all about the importance of mitosis cell division. So, from this class, we can easily describe the different stages of mitosis cell division. Also, we can solve the creative question of mitosis cell division. So, today's homework, everyone will write the answer to the creative question and submit it to the subject teacher. I hope you can easily now describe the different stages of mitosis, and also you can write down the importance of mitosis cell division. If you fail to understand this process or something about this sample question, please contact your subject teacher. Thank you, everybody.